Hello students, next question is chapter number 5 exercise number 5.2 question number 11. क्या कहता है क्वेश्चन देखिए, which term of the AP is given 3, 15, 27, 39 up to so on will be 132 more than its 54th term. ऐसी AP की कौन से नंबर की टर्म है जो कि गिवन AP से 132 more than its the 54th term. Got it? तो वो नंबर n का वैल्यू आपको फाइंड आउट करना है इसमें. क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे? n का वैल्यू. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन सिचुएशन, फर्स्टली वी फाइंड आउट, वी नो दैट is by the formula n term formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 multiply by d. कौन सा फॉर्मूला आपके पास? n टर्म का फॉर्मूला. सबसे पहले अपन फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं, दैट इज 54 टर्म. कौन सी टर्म फाइंड आउट कर लें? 54. दैट इज a 54 इज इक्वल्स टू a plus 54 minus 1 into d. ओके, उसके लिए देखिए आपको यहाँ पर क्या पुट करना पड़ेगा? a फर्स्ट टर्म कितना है ap का? 3. तो here we put that is 3. So a54 is equals to 3 plus 54 multiplied by minus 1, that is 53. And the common difference is देखिए second term minus first term, 15 minus 3 कितना होगा? यहाँ मैं पुट कर देता हूँ, that is d. Here is 15 minus 3 is equal to, that is 12. कितना आ जाएगा common difference? 12. That is multiply by 12. Okay, then after solve this one further, 3 plus 12, 36, 3, 63. Now add this one is 639. That is a54 is 639. Okay, so 54 term is 639. Then after students, according to situation is that which term of the AP will be 132 more than its the 54 term. So we assume that let the nth term of the AP is 132 more than its 54th term. So we assume that according to the question, that is we assume that the nth term, कौन सी टर्म? nth टर्म जो है that is 132 more than its 54th term. Got it? पहले अपन an का वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे, then after we find out the value of n from the given AP. Okay, so that is an equals to 132 plus put the value of a54. a54 का वैल्यू कितना आया था? 639. So we put here 639. That is add this one is an equals to 729,336. That is 11. 9 to 11, 1 carry. That is 7 and 7. 771. That is an equals to how much? That is 771. So the an equals to 771. Then after, according to given AP, put that is an we get that is 771. So from this AP an formula is a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d is equals to 771. आपको वो वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है n की जिसमें ये जो टर्म है वो कौन से नंबर की टर्म है जो कि 132 मोर देन है किससे? 54th टर्म से. So put the value here by this series, that is a equals to 3 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. d कितना आया था आपके पास? That is 12 is equals to 771. Okay, then after transpose this one 3 to that side firstly, that is n minus 1 multiplied by 12 which is equals to 771 minus 3 which is equals to 768. What we get? That is 768. Then after this one, 12 divide 12 that side, that is n minus 1 equals to this one 12 divide that side, that is 768 divided by 12. Got it? divide by 12, take the cancellation, 12 6 then 12 4 okay, transpose 1 to that side, that is n minus 1 equals to 64, then n is equals to 64 plus 1 is equal to 65. So 65th number term is 132 more than the 54th term. Got it? Hence we write here, hence 54th term of AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. Got it? That is 54th, sorry, this one is 65th. 65th term of the AP will be 132 more than its the 54th term. This one 65th term. Okay, got it? समझ में आया आप लोगों को? देखिए वापस देखते हैं एक बार. Which term of the AP this will be 132 more than is the 54th term? So firstly we find out the 54th term by the formula of the nth term formula, that is an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is a 54, n की जगह क्या पुट करेंगे 54, a का वैल्यू ap से पुट करेंगे that is 3, 54 minus 1 that is 53 and d that is common difference is second term minus first term is 12, so put here 12 multiplied by 53 that is 636 plus 3 that is 639, that is a54 is 639. Then after according to the question is that which term of the AP, question क्या पूछ रहा है, which term of the AP is 54 more 132 more than is the 54th term. So we according to the question we arrange this one situation, we assume that the nth term of the AP is 132 more than it's the 54th term. So an equals to 132 plus a54, 132 as it is, a54 value is 639, put this one, add this one, that we got that is 771. So n term is 771, but अपन को n का वैल्यू पता करना है कि वो कौन से नंबर का टर्म है. तो we put the value of an, again is their formula, that is an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 771. Put the value of a in this, n minus 1, d value is 12, then 771, transpose 3 to that side, then we get that is 768. Okay, then after divide by 12 to that side, that is n minus 1 equals to 768 divided by 12, take the cancellation by 12, we get that is 64, transpose 1 to that side, that is 64 plus 1 is 65. So the 65th term of the AP will be 132 more than it's the 54th term. Got it? Thank you.